standard 3rd, subject English grammar. Today I'll teach you chapter 1, alphabetical order. We all remember the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. We know it is called alphabet. In English language, there are 26 letters in alphabet. We know that B always comes after A. हम सबको पता है कि अल्फाबेट में A के बाद B आता है. And C always comes before D. हमें पता है कि अल्फाबेट में D के पहले we always write letter C. Same way. Here C always comes after B and D always comes before E. Now I'll give you the definition of alphabetical order. I'll tell you what is alphabetical order. The order in which A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z are arranged is called the alphabetical order. Now let's see the, here I have written the names of students. Arrange the names of students in alphabetical order. Here I have written 9 names of students. That names of students we have to arrange in alphabetical order. If we want to arrange in alphabetical order, any words, names of students, if the given names of fruits, names of vegetables, first of all we speak alphabet. We speak alphabet and then we will arrange the words. Okay? So here names of students are given and we have to arrange in alphabetical order. So we start with letter A. Yes. Any name of student is given. The starter letter with A. Yes. Here Arman. The name of student is given Arman. You all know very well. Arman starts with letter A. So we have to write in number 1. So I have written here Arman. We have to write on the word Arman. Now next, any letter starts with letter B. Any word starts with letter B. Letter B से कोई word दिया है? Look at the whole name of students. Krish, Tisha, Hamish, Diya, Rita, Mahek, Om, Niyati. Yes. Any name of student is not given that letter B. Now we will move forward on number C. Okay, any name of student starts with letter C. Look, K, P, H, D, R, M, O, N. No, it is not given. C after D. Yes, it is given in number 5. Look at the number 5. Diya is given. So we have to write down in number 2. Diya. Okay. So don't forget you have to tick right on the word Diya. ताकि हम ये दोनों वर्ड दोबारा ना लिख ले. Now D after E. आंसर नंबर 3 में लिखेंगे हैमिश. Okay, so we have to take right on the word Hamish. Next, I. Yes, I. Any name of student starts with letter I? Yes. नहीं दिया है लेटर I से कोई भी वर्ड. J से नहीं. K से? Yes, K से दिया है. Which name of student is given? Krish. Yes, you have to write down in number 4. तो number 4 में हम लिखेंगे Krish. So we have to take right on the word Krish. Now we will move forward on next letter. Okay? दूसरा लेटर हम K के बाद क्या आता है? आप सबको पता ही है. L. Yes. कोई भी नेम ऑफ स्टूडेंट L से दिया है इसमें? नहीं. Yes. M से दिया है? हाँ, दिया है. M से दिया है. So, which name of student is given? Mahek. Yes. So we have to write down in number 5. Mahek. Okay. So take right on the word Mahek. Now M के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? N. So which name of student is given here? Starts with letter N? Yes, Niyati. So we have to write down in number 6 Niyati. And we have to take right on the word Niyati. Yes. N के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? Which letter is coming? Yes, O. So O. Which name of student is given here? Om. So we have to write in number 7. Write down Om and take right on the word Om. Now next number O. O के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? Yes, P. Any name of student is given which starts with letter P? Yes, it is given. Yes, Prisha. So we have to write down in 8 number Prisha. Okay, so we have to take right on the word Prisha. Yes, P के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? Q. Q से यहाँ पे नहीं दिया है. Now the remaining only one name of student which is remaining. Yes, Rita. Yes, that we have to write down in the last blank. And P के बाद Q आता है. Q से कोई भी नेम नहीं दिया है. R. So R से क्या दिया है? Rita. So we have to write down at last. So take right on the word Rita. Now we will move forward on exercise A. Arrange the names of these games in alphabetical order. Here there are 4 games are given. 4 names of games are given. First one, hockey. Second, football. Third, cricket. Fourth, badminton. So these 4 names of games we have to arrange in alphabetical order. So if we want to arrange in alphabetical order, we speak alphabet. Yes, alphabet A, letter A. Any name of given here, which is starts with letter A. No. B. Yes, it is given B. So which game is given starts with letter B? Badminton. So we have to write down badminton in number 1. Badminton. Now we have to tick right on the word badminton. Now next we will come. B comes after C. B के बाद C आएगा. तो C से कौन सा नेम ऑफ गेम्स दिया है? Yes, cricket. So we have to write down cricket in number 2. Tick right on the word cricket. C के बाद D. D तो नहीं दिया है. Now only 2 names of games are remaining. हॉकी, फुटबॉल. हम कहाँ पे पहुंचे? D पे. Yes, D after E. E के बाद दिया है? नहीं दिया है. F. Yes, it is given. Which game is given? Football. So we have to write down in number 3. Football. And we have to tick right on the word football. And last one is remaining. And F after. Yes, you all know very well alphabets. G. Yes, F after G. G after H. So here the name of game is given. It starts with letter H. So that name of game is hockey. That we will write in number 4. Hockey. And we have to tick right on the word hockey. Now we will move forward on exercise B. Arrange the names of these characters in alphabetical order and write them in the blanks. Here there are 6 names of characters are given. First one, Red Riding Hood. You all heard the story of Red Riding Hood. I know very well. Yes. Second one, Pinocchio. Next, third one, Thumbelina. Number 4, Cinderella. Number 5, Snow White. And number 6, Goldilocks. Okay. Here it is given names of characters. यहाँ पे characters के name दिए हैं, which is not given in alphabetical order. So we have to arrange in alphabetical order. हमें इसको alphabetical order में arrange करना है. So we have to speak alphabet. So first of all, any character name, it starts with letter A. Yes, देख लो, ये R से शुरू हो रहा है, ये P से, T से, C से, S and G. A से कोई कैरेक्टर नहीं दिया है. अब B से दिया है, लेटर B से नहीं दिया है. Yes, letter C से दिया है. Yes, letter C. Which character name is given? Cinderella. That we will write in number 1. Cinderella. Okay, C after D. So D. Any character name is given? No. दिया है। कौन सा कैरेक्टर नेम दिया है? गोल्डीलॉक्स। That we will write in number 2. We have to tick right on the word Goldilocks. अब we all know very well alphabet. हम कहाँ पे पहुँचे थे? Yes, G से H. G after H. H से कोई भी कैरेक्टर दिया है? नहीं दिया है। I से नहीं दिया है। J, no, it is not given. K, no, it is not given. L, no. M, no. N, no. O, not given. P, yes. Letter P starts with letter P. It is given. Pinocchio. क्या दिया है? Pinocchio. That we will write in number 3. And tick right on the word Pinocchio. Now you all know very well. P after Q. It is not given. Q after R. Yes, Red Riding Hood. That we will write in number 4. Red Riding Hood. And tick right on the word Red Riding Hood. Now, R after S. It is given Snow White. That we will write in number 5. Write down Snow White. And tick right on the word Snow White. S after T. Now last character name is remaining Thumbelina and it starts with letter T. So that we have to write down in number 6. Thumbelina. Okay. Now we have to take right on the word Thumbelina. So here our exercise B is complete.
आभार।